I'm just going to go through a few results. So this is Jeunesse Global Instantly Ageless. And we got number 1. That's good, but who's going to type in all that stuff? Well, but you got a point there. So let's take off Jeunesse Global and let's see if it's still there. And it is. It's still number 1 for Instantly Ageless Winter Garden, Florida. Not bad. We're still in the top 3. People to see this video, they're going to skip over these and they're going to click this video. So whoever's got this ranking is going to be getting that traffic. And then if you look, I've got Winter Haven. So what I did was in this campaign, I picked the city of Orlando, Florida, and I did like a 50-mile radius around Florida. And so that's why you'll see Winter Haven. The next city is Winter Park, and you'll see in Winter Park we've got 2. Those are both from my campaign. So I got number 1 and number 2. Tavares, Florida, we got number 1. Sanford, Florida, we've got number 4. Orlando, number 1. Port Orange, Florida, we got number 1 and number 2. These end up ranking even though Port Orange isn't in the name because of other optimization that we're doing on the back. So Longwood, Florida, number 1. Kissimmee, we got number 1. Heathrow, number 1. DeLand, Florida, which is right outside of Daytona, we're number 1 and number 2. Daytona Beach, Florida, the world's most famous beach, what they tell me. I grew up there, so I don't know. This is the best one I wanted to show you. Okay, so Altamont Springs is a city right outside of Orlando. We're number 1. But here's someone else doing an Instantly Ageless video, and they're number 2, even though they were published 6 months before or so. And then this one was published 6 months before. Okay, if you look at the dates, that was published February 19th, 2016. Mine was published August 14th, 2016, and we're outranking them. There's a reason for